Can you get Snapchat Plus free trial for a lifetime? So let's get started. Currently, there is no legitimate way to get Snapchat Plus, Snapchat's premium subscription service, for free for a lifetime. Snapchat offers a 7-day free trial of Snapchat Plus to new users, but after that, you need to pay a subscription fee to continue using the features that Snapchat Plus provides. So, firstly, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and tap on your Bitmoji icon in the top left corner of your screen. Then there you will get to see Snapchat Plus option available. Simply tap on it. And once you tap on the Snapchat Plus, you will be navigated to the subscription option available there. All you have to do is scroll down till the bottom and tap on the next option available there. You can see the free trial option available there, but it is just for 7 days. After the trial period ends, you would need to subscribe to Snapchat Plus to continue using the feature. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.